Gang, 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 gang. Woohoo! Thank you. Oh my God. I love it. Wosi, Wosi. Hey. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see how excited I am today. Do you know what, guys? I found out an African store. Somebody was talking about it. So I went on Google and I searched for it and I ordered Nigerian food stuff. So I didn't really want to order much because I don't really know how it works. I said, okay, let me just try a little bit and see how it goes. And then I was putting my stuff in the cart. The things that I want, I was ordering it and putting it in the cart. I keep putting a lot of stuff in the cart. I was thinking I've spent too much money. I was putting it, and check the amount that I've spent so far. And I'm like, why is this a dream? I was ordering in half box, you know, half box of plantain, half box pepper, and all that. Something that I've not really had for a very long time because around me you cannot really see African store. It's very rare to see African store. Doing this kind of shopping is just the best for me. Everything that I need is there, like full package. Hey, I was seeing a lot of things and then I was putting it in the basket. And to my greatest surprise, I didn't really spend much. At the end of that, I said, okay, let me keep shopping. No, I continue shopping. And no, this is a joke. This is a dream. Okay, I'm going to order this and I'll see how this works. I want to see how this works. I want to see if this is going to be delivered to my door. The shipment is not even up to 20 pounds. It's about 20 pounds, you know. Like, okay. I'm going to be sharing this on my YouTube channel if it actually worked, but I've not really unboxed it. We are going to be unboxing this together to see what I got. I'm trying this for the first time. If this really works, if everything goes well, this is where I'll be placing my order and I will know that I will no longer starve of my Nigerian food. Yeah, because I've been starving of Nigerian food for quite a long time. All the food I eat is from Tesco. I want to eat my Nigerian food. I'm tired. I am so happy because I have ordered this. This is one of the boxes. We've got two boxes like this. And the other one is there. I'm going to be getting the... I don't know why Amanda brought it to the sitting room. Amanda, why do you bring...
Unbox it.
I know, but it doesn't have to... Everywhere is going to smell. We're supposed to do it in the kitchen. Or maybe we'll stay somewhere there and unbox it. Do you want to join me to unbox my African food? I'm so excited! You're living in the UK and eating your Nigerian food very, very well. You don't know what God has done for you. Me, it's been a long time I had it though. So I'm so excited. Everything fresh. I want to see if everything comes fresh. Delivery is so fast. The delivery is so fast. I ordered it on holiday on the 31st. I ordered it. I placed my order. And what's today's date, Amanda? Today is the 4th. They called me yesterday. 3rd. They called me yesterday and told me that they were going to deliver it today. That they're trying to package my thing. The delivery is so fast. It's not even up to a week. I'm loving it already. Come on, I'm loving it. Come on, guys. Let's go. Anywhere you are, they will deliver to you. I called my friend. I told her that did she know about Wosi. And then she told me that she's heard so much about Wosi. Like, why didn't you tell me? You're part of my problem. It will be delivered to your door. You don't need to stress. Hey, I have been craving gari all my life. Like, I've been craving gari. Oh. Today I finally got gari. And this is just like a trial. I decided to try them. This is just a trial. The next shopping I'm going to do is going to be more than this. Ijebu gari, oh, hey. Box of plantain chips for my children. Nigerian stuff. Pepper. Look at this old pepper. It's going to last me forever. My crayfish. Woo! Look at my okra. Oh my God. Oh, it's a black soap. This is Rob. Epa. I'm going to eat granite. Oh. Hey, it's been a long time. Oh. Look at how they package their frozen food. Hey! Look at the way they package their meat. Look at meat. Oh, I ordered beef meat. Oh, eyes. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Look at. Hey, how is this going to defrost? Tell me. This is a professional package, you know. How am I going to cut it? Ooh, I have just opened the box. Look at this. Look at how they are frozen. This is how the meat came out. Everything frozen. Look at it. The fish. Everything is frozen. Look at the box. This is how the box came. Hey, this is too good for me not to share. Who is not going to share this? This is my beef. Look at it. I just said, let me give it a try. Let me see what they want to do. I am so surprised. I just tried it though. This is just try out. My next shopping is going to be bangbastic. I'm going to shop and pull all over my freezer. It's just a trial. That's the second box. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside the second box. So, oh my God. This is, how many plantain chips did I order? I ordered 2 plantain chips. This must be a mistake. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at my plantain. Because my children love plantain. Look at it. This is a lot of plantain. Look at my yam. 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 Oh my God. Yam. I only have plantain here and my yam. I'm so surprised. The plantain is a lot. This is so worth it, guys. And I just said, okay, let me just order a few things. Let me just order. Everything is just amazing. This is my greatest surprise. I'm so surprised about this packaging. How did they come about this? There is no way your food can go sour. It's frozen. Hey, I'm so happy. Oh. I didn't really buy much. I just wanted to try it. You know, something you've not really tried before. You just want to try it for the first time. You don't want to go too extreme. The second time, I'm going to place my order in a large way. I'm going to write their name on the screen if you want to check them out on Google. You'll never be disappointed. This is lovely. If you're in the UK and you want your food delivered to your door, so affordable. The way the lady even talked to me yesterday, I'm so impressed. So I'm going to leave their name on the screen. Check them out. I hope you love this video. Give this a big thumbs up. Share this video. Anything you want on that website is there. I'm so happy about the plantain chips because my children love plantain and I've been craving yam for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all. Share this video. Please share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.